This is a brand new 2012 BMW 328, a great fit and finish. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a power moonroof, heated front seats, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and xenon headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, front fog lights, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile pays off in the long run. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.